orchard court nestled within the desirable village of Norton Fitzwarren, and I have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this 2 double-bedroom detached coach house, offered to the market with the added benefit of no onward chain. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely home, or maybe evaluating your own property, then please do get in touch.